ERC, quality service since 1972. Repairing TVs, console stereos, electronic musical instruments, pinball machines, arcade games, and more. Call 836-0454.
Hey, this is James Spann. You've clicked onto our Weather Xtreme video. This is for Monday, the 14th day of April, in cold weather. Headlines are forecast the last late-season cold snap of the season for Alabama. Let's take a look at our Skycam images this morning. We'll start with a look at the lights of the city of Gadsden. At our Skycam spot up on the mountain there, they're looking in the upper 30s early this morning, around 38 degrees. Tuscaloosa hovering around 40. That's the view from the top of the Tuscaloosa County Courthouse looking north. And from the rocket city of Huntsville, they are sitting in the upper 30s, and the skies become mostly cloudy. It's going to be a raw day today. Check out that upper trough digging down into the deep south. Clouds moved in late last night, and there might even be a little scattered light rain underneath those clouds today. And look at the cold weather over the entire eastern half of the nation. That's pretty amazing for mid-April. Temperatures in the teens up north. Readings down into the upper 30s, down into Texas and the deep south, and tonight will be even colder. Now, this is the QPF map. This is valid through Friday evening at 7 o'clock, and this is suggesting not much at all. Any rain would be right at the end of the period, late Friday or Friday night. And we'll address that as we go through model output. This is where we are at noon today, and that picture sure tells a story. Whopper of a trough over the east, and also a new trough moving into the Pacific Northwest, in between, of course, a ridge. And down below, it's still cold air advection today. Check out the low thickness values. We'll have clouds around, maybe some scattered light rain, and many spots will not get out of the 40s from Birmingham north today. And even south of Birmingham, we're talking highs only in the low 50s. That's 15 to 20 degrees below normal. Tomorrow, the surface high is still a little west of here, and just maybe that will prevent a major damaging type freeze. Looks like Memphis and Greenville and Greenwood will be right underneath that high around the Delta. And just perhaps that'll keep us in the low 30s tomorrow morning. We'll forecast an average low of 32, and it could be with that high over the Delta, the colder readings might be over northwest Alabama with some wind continuing over the east. But once again, the growers will just need to be aware that we've got the chance of a light freeze tomorrow morning along with frost, where the wind can go calm. And you can check the blog for some specific thoughts on that as the day progresses. Wednesday, the surface high is still pretty close to us. By golly, it's going to be cold Wednesday morning. We'll have to look at the potential for a light freeze over the northeastern part of the state, maybe early Wednesday as well. But the warming trend continues during the day. We'll get up in the 70s. And then Thursday, the attention focuses on that new trough out west. Will be dry Thursday. Should be a beautiful day. And then Friday, by golly, that thing is kind of over Tulsa. And underneath that, a surface low is around St. Louis with a trailing band of showers and thunderstorms during the day. Could it be another severe weather Friday? Well, let's give this some time. It looks like that thing might be coming through here late Friday night or Saturday morning. Then during the day Saturday, it's got the main band of showers off to the east. So it looks like we'll mention showers and thunderstorms primarily Friday night. And again, give us a couple of runs here to get this under our belt, and we'll adjust that as we go along this week. And then Sunday, that thing just kind of sits there. The upper level low is still around Chattanooga, and accordingly, that kind of keeps the weather unsettled from that point on east. But again, for now, we'll leave out the chance of any rain here on Sunday. We'll dig deeper into April. Let's go to the 24th. What do you say? That's 4 days later. And a ridge holds here, kind of deflecting that next trough to the north of us, and that's got a kind of a dying cold front approaching, but that doesn't look too ominous. And then at the end of the forecast period on the 29th, pretty decent looking shortwave trough there, if that happens to be correct, and that's a big if, but that would be wet and stormy if the model is on it. But more than likely it's not, because that is so far in advance. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3:30 today. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Again, thanks for listening and watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.
Weather.